Industrial accidents and breakdowns. Here are 3 common operator mistakes. First is not wearing PPE or hindi pagsusuot ng PPE. Hard hat, gloves, safety shoes, at goggles if needed ang number 1 priority. Protektahan natin ang sarili para maiwasan ang kahit anong injury at disgrasya. Number 2 is hindi paggawa ng daily checklist sa unit. Dapat bago mag-start ang operation, i-inspect ang oil, coolant, brakes, tires, hoses, at warning lights. Malit na check pero malaki ang epekto sa safety at makaiwas sa breakdowns. Lastly is overloading or pagbuhat sa sobra sa capacity ng unit or heavy equipment. Huwag magbuhat ng lagpas sa rated weight capacity para hindi ma-off balance or mag-risk ng tip over ang heavy equipment at tuloy-tuloy ang ating operations. For more safety and heavy equipment tips, follow Scovilip Philippines in our social media. That's all and see you on the next video.